मंगळारा गोंय मुक्ती दिसा चर्चिल ब्रदर्स अंदूचे सिजनाची पहिली होम गेम टिळक मैदानार खेळटले। चेन्नई सिटी FC आड ही मॅच रातची 8 सुरू जातली। सध्या 4 गेमी हरिल्ले चर्चिल ब्रदर्स 10 टीमीच्या आय लिगांत बॉटम पोझिशनार आसात।
Last year also was the same story. We did not have enough points from the first 4 matches also. But once we started, there was no looking back for us. And being a home match, we are targeting 3 points tomorrow, which is very important for us to come up the table. And as you know, it takes a lot of toll on the players playing back-to-back matches. 20 days we are playing 5 matches, and 3 matches we were playing without any recovery of 24 hours. So we traveled, we landed yesterday. Today we have a session and tomorrow we are playing. So it's very tough on the players also. But we have to adjust, and there are no complaints. But we are fighting fit for tomorrow's match, and hopefully we will come out with 3 points.
Tomorrow we have a vital match against Churchill Brothers. Both the teams are very low points. But compared with us, they played all the vital matches like Mohun Bagan, East Bengal. Compared with us, tomorrow is a very, very important match. So we will go all out tomorrow. Anyway, we don't want to lose a point. We'll give the tough fight to Churchill Brothers. That is our motto. East Bengal and Churchill Brothers matches. Churchill Brothers played very good. The position and play and everything. They are improving a lot. Particularly, unfortunately, that extra time, more than extra time, 1 minute extra time, they concede the goal. As a coach, we also feel very uncomfortable that goal. At least if you go for draw, it is because they done a very wonderful workout against well organized side.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।